Hello, all. This is the first part of our series. In this series, we are going to explain about the AI agents and the overall AI. So, the first series is about how to run the your own ChatGPT in the local. So, have you thought if you could run your own ChatGPT like AI locally without paying for APIs or sending your data in the cloud? In this video, I will show you how to build a local AI chat application using Ollama and the Chainlit with Docker Compose in just a few minutes. So in this Docker Compose file, you can see that we have two containers. First is the Ollama, which and we are using the latest image of the Ollama. It is running on 11434 port, and we are using the second container, which is Chandit. It is using the Python based image, and it is installing the required packages like Pydantic, Chandlit, Ollama, and it is fetching the gamma 3, which is 4 billion parameter, using the Ollama dot pull command, and it will connect with the Ollama host, Ollama 1 on 11434. So I will tell you about what is the Chainlit. So Chainlit is an open source Python based framework which is designed to develop the interactive interfaces for the AI powered app. So in this, like, we don't have to develop any front end to run the chat gpt. So I will just quickly, and we have this app.py file in which we are running the Ollama and Channelit composition. So you can see we have three function on chat start. We have one tool which will connect with the Ollama, and we are using the async client, and then we have the main function. So in this Docker Compose file, you can see that we are running this command, channelit run app.py minus minus host on the 8000 port. We will just quickly run it. For this, you have to do Docker Compose minus f doc file name and up. So you will see it will quickly download it, the Ollama model, and run your Ollama in the local. So once it is completed, it will take a few minutes because it has to download the model, which is around 3.7 GB in size. It will look something like this. You can see a beautiful interface where it say, hello, I'm your 100% local chat GPT powered by Google DeepMind Schema 3. I have asked one question. Hi, can you please explain virtual function in C++, and how beautifully it is giving the answer. Like, what is virtual function, why to use virtual function, how virtual function work, the dynamic dispatch. Thank you. I will attach the GitHub code link into the comment section. You can find out from there and run this experiment into your own local